Okay, I've got a couple of rusty exhaust manifold flange bolts on my Ranger. This is the left side. I've tried heat. I've tried PB blaster on them. Nothing has broken these things loose yet. The right side I was able to get loose. Thank goodness that those ones I was able to, working back and forth with some lubricant in there and get those things undone, which was great. But the left side, no luck. So I have to cut these things off with my Sawzall, if I can get in there good enough. But I'm going to try and experiment so that I won't have to take off my whole manifold to fix this. So I've got that EGR tube on there that might not come undone. And I've got 6 bolts that might give me problems. One of them's already broken. Looks like that top right one maybe already broken. So if my experiment works, I won't have to take this off. All right, let's see if I can get these things cut. All right, I got both bolts cut. They're about 3/8 of an inch long, the studs are. Use my Dremel tool. The Sawzall was difficult to get in there, but my Dremel tool worked pretty good. But I got them cut to 3/8 of an inch long. Okay, so now my plan is I have these 2 coupling nuts that I got, and it's an M12 by 1.75, and I cut them both down. So, and then also I tapered the ends, so now it looks like a glorified lug nut kind of. But these things are now, these are 3/4 of an inch long. And so the idea is that the stud will go in 3/8, and then my bolts, which I'm going to use, these are actually bolts that came off of the, these are drive shaft bolts, the bolts to the, like the differential. And so I'm going to have to cut these down so that they'll fit, so they're the right length. I just forgot to measure the gap before I took everything off. But anyway, so like I said, these are 3/4 of an inch long. The stud will go in 3/8, and then I'm hoping to get this thing cut to where it goes in 3/8, and then I'll be able to hook this back up together again. Okay, I got the 2 coupling nuts on. Let's hope they're not too long for the flange to bolt up flush again. Alright, got it all done. Kind of a pain in the butt to do it all, but I think overall it was easier than having to take off the manifold, drill the old bolts out and retap them, or just do through hole, whatever, all that stuff. But yeah, so I think this was easier. I had to cut the bolts anyway, so I might as well just cut them down to 3/8 and do this whole idea. So we'll see if it works. Time will tell. Yeah, kind of a pain, but anyway, it's done. We'll see how long it lasts. All right, bye.